Now I'll ask you a simple question. Correct? If you practice cricket daily for 10 hours a day, at the end of 2024, will you become a Virat Kohli? Maybe, maybe not. Will you become better at cricket? 100%. 100%. So, we get better at whatever we practice. So, for ages and years, we have practiced being distracted. What will you be better at? Being distracted. For ages, you have practiced listening to your mind. What will you be better at? Listening to your mind. For ages, you have practiced giving into everything that your mind desires. What will you be better at? Giving into whatever your mind desires. What are you doing now? You are rewiring yourself. You're changing your inner conditioning by now not listening to the mind, by not listening to what your inner desires are telling you. Right? Do you think it will be easy? Do you think any habit changes overnight? कभी ऐसा होता है क्या आज भर्ती और कल चक्रवर्ती? नहीं होता ना. आज भर्ती होने में और चक्रवर्ती होने के बीच में बहुत युद्ध लड़ने पड़ते हैं. 3 of our people were martyred in JNK, right? 3 of our people had to lose their lives. And there are so many of these people who are standing at the border. I feel so bad. We don't even mention them in our talks. We're not even grateful. जिनकी वजह से हम बैठ के इतना शांति से प्रवचन देते हैं और सुनते हैं, उनको हमारा कोई रेफरेंस नहीं. We should give a loud round of applause for our Indian people there who are standing there, because of whom we did this. Correct? So you can imagine, they martyred their lives there. भर्ती होने में और चक्रवर्ती होने के बीच में ना बहुत लड़ाइयाँ लड़नी पड़ती है. They get medals, but every medal they get, they don't get medal that they got trained and next day they get a medal. ट्रेनिंग है वो, जो प्रैक्टिस करते हैं उसमें माहिर होते हैं. So you will also become a chakravarti in what you want to be, but it won't happen unless you train yourself in practice. So every time your mind says a no, don't listen. The more you listen, it's going to get stronger. You give your mind what it asks, it's going to get stronger. Don't listen. We are listening all the time. My mind is asking you something, I'm listening. My mind is saying open that website and watch some rubbish. But my mind is, I'm listening. जितनी बार सुनेंगे तो क्या वो माइंड को प्रैक्टिस क्या हो रहा है? सुनने का प्रैक्टिस हो रहा है. तो कभी वो भी सुना नहीं सुनूंगा मैं आज आपका. Rewire it. And if you can't do it alone, अकेले से नहीं होता. कई बार माइंड इतना स्ट्रांग है कि खुद नहीं नो बोल ही नहीं पा रहा. तो जब अपने पास शक्ति नहीं होती ना तो भाड़े से लेनी पड़ती है शक्ति. You don't have the strength to know, say no right now. But when you come in the association of those people who have become strong in saying no, that strength will rub on you. And slowly you will say your first no. And when you say your first no, the next time you are in that temptation, you are in a better position because you said no once. That's how you grow stronger. From one obstacle to another, one obstacle to another.